The next thing I have is the ability to book online. I'm going to be completely honest. If I read all your reviews and I'm like, okay, this looks like a great solid place, and I go to your website and I'm going to make an appointment and there's no way to book online, I'm going to move on to the next shop. I don't want to pick up the phone. I don't want to call. And the reason for that is I have a lot of anxiety about picking up the phone and making a phone call and then being asked a bunch of questions that I don't know the answer to. What year is your car? I think it's a 2014. Maybe it's a 2016. I don't know. What kind of engine is in it? I don't know. So like to me, picking up the phone and calling an automotive repair shop is a big scary thing. But I was talking to another fellow millennial about this the other day too, and they were saying even just like calling the dentist is a scary thing, right? Just picking up the phone to make an appointment is not something most of us want to do. We want to be able to do it online. And so if I don't have, and I don't call, like my vet appointments are made online, my hair appointments are made online. I can't think of the last time I've had to actually pick up the phone and call to make an appointment. So if you don't have a way to book online, which I think most of us do at this point, I would highly suggest looking for a way to do that, even if it's something where it gives you like 3 different options, like pick a day, 3 different options, and then we'll reach out to you with the one that's available.